Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Matar. I'm 48 years old. I used to have a sleep disc on my back, L4, L5, since 1988. Oh, it was two sleep discs and it hurt me a lot. Then in 1998, I did the operation in London for removing the sleep disc from my back. And again, after that, the pains come to me and it's like killing me. I feel the pain all the time, 24 hours. I've been to many clinics and the pain never gone. So I met Dr. Jumaili and he said to me, your sleep disc, after he saw the X-ray, he said to me, or MRI, your sleep disc is gone, so you have to make a support for you, or you do the other option, which is stem cells. It's a new and not painful. It's a new procedure, and I go ahead for stem cells. After I done the operation last 5 months now, and the pain is gone down my back. I never feel it, only just the pain in my muscle, and I try to exercise my muscles, and that's it. Thank you.